Hello guys, it's Ryan Ho back with another video. Today I want to talk about some useful tech that you can use. So I have a few items on the table. We're going to go through one by one. I find some of these really interesting and I've never even knew about them before. And they're useful. Some of them are just generically just useful items to have. So yeah, let's just get through this, and as well as please like and subscribe down below. Helps my videos out. And yeah. So the first item I want to talk about is a mouse mover. It's just designed to move your mouse so it doesn't go idle. So it actually gives you sporadic motion. So if you push the power button, it kind of turns, and I guess the pattern of the leaf turns your sensor. Essentially, your sensor is not moving in the middle, and because it goes directly on it, it's spinning and it moves your mouse around. So interesting device if you need it. It just keeps your kind of mouse always moving active depending on what you're using it for. The second item I have is a laser measurement tape basically. So if you turn this on, it actually has a laser, so you can see the laser, right? And then once you click the button again, it'll measure the distance between here and there. So you don't have to use a traditional measuring tape like this. Literally using this and then doing that and measuring it, and sometimes it'll snap back and hit you in the fingers and it hurts, and, stuff like that. That's happened to me all the time. This laser measurement is so good. I actually use it to kind of measure how far the ceiling is to see what type of ladder I need to buy. But another example is essentially, I can point to the wall in front of me that you guys can't see. It'll measure the wall. So you just point to the other wall and it gives you basically instant readings, and it's really accurate. So I find this really cool and very useful. And the funny thing about it is this company was supposed to send me a RGB light, but they sent me this instead. But I thought this was actually pretty useful, so I put it in this video. The next item I have is a power bank. So this is the AIM Menzunto Pocket Power Bank. And essentially, it's very useful and interesting because one, it has a button on the back which you press that turns on the screen to see how much battery you have. It actually has this thing where it's actually a cable, but it has a dual purpose. You can actually use this to hang it on your items, but it's also a USB-C cable, so you can use it to charge your devices that require USB-C. Then hidden right here is the iPhone charger right here. So you can essentially just stick this on your phone and it will charge it. So voila, and it will charge your phone. So yeah, it's a pretty cool device. I've never seen a cable used like this for multi-purpose, and essentially you don't have to deal with the cable while you're charging your phone, and it can just kind of hang off your phone instead. So interesting device. I haven't seen anything like it before. The last item we have is a universal docking station for a laptop, and this is actually really cool because you can plug it in through USB-C, right? And it gives you more outputs that you need, so you can connect a bunch of 4K screens, up to 4 or 3 of them, sorry. And this is a charging port. You can even do Ethernet. And then you have 3 USB-A's on the back. In the front, you also have 2 USB-C's and then another USB-A. So that's literally a lot of ports. You have, a total of 6 USB ports and 3 monitor ports, which is very useful. And then the other thing about this thing as well is that what really separates good, I think, docking stations and bad docking stations is that this is actually able to transfer power. So you can actually transfer up to 90 watts through the USB-C cable. So yeah, that's quite a lot of power. So you can basically charge your laptop while it's docked at the same time. It just saves you from having to plug in your laptop at the same time. So I always find that to be kind of a convenient feature to have. And yeah, so this is the universal dock. So let me know down in the comments below which one you found the most useful. I actually like the measuring tape a lot. I thought it was quite interesting to just use to kind of point and measure. It's very, very useful tool to have. And that's something that I wish I had since the beginning of time, because I could have used that in so many scenarios. But yeah, let me know down below which ones you guys like. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time for more tech videos. Bye-bye.